Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Todoist not syncing in 2026. If your tasks aren't updating across your devices or recent changes aren't appearing, this guide will walk you through the most common solutions step by step. First, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or disconnected network is one of the most common reasons Todoist fails to sync. Next, open the Todoist app and manually refresh your task list. If you're using the desktop or web version, refresh the page and check whether your latest changes appear. Now verify that you're signed in with the same Todoist account on all of your devices. Using different accounts can make it seem like your tasks aren't syncing correctly. Next, update the Todoist app to the latest version from your device's app store or download the newest desktop version from the official website. Updates often include important bug fixes and sync improvements. If the problem continues, sign out of your Todoist account, then sign back in. This refreshes your account data and can resolve temporary synchronization issues. Now restart your device and reopen Todoist. Also, make sure background data or battery optimization settings aren't preventing the app from syncing automatically. Finally, if Todoist is still not syncing, check whether the service is experiencing a temporary outage or contact Todoist support with details about the issue and the devices you're using. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to fix Todoist not syncing step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.